previous video we have seen how to work with pig in local mode. In this video we are going to learn how to work with pig in MapReduce mode. So I'll use the same script which we have used in a local host, and we'll make changes accordingly. So I'll just copy this script. Okay, I'll create one more script. Okay, so before that we should make sure that our Hadoop daemons are running fine. I've already started the daemons with start-all.sh. Let us verify if they are running fine with this jps command. Okay, it's working fine. Now I'll just create a directory hadoop fs mkdir and /home. Let me also create one subdirectory with this input. Okay, now we have these two directories. Let us verify in the web instance. Localhost 570. Okay, browse file system home. Okay, we got this input, but it doesn't have any data. So let us copy this data with hadoop fs hyphen copy from local, and we'll give the source path. And then the target path. So the target path is /home/input. Okay, the file is copied. Okay, countries of the world. Okay, now we will try to use this file on HDFS for processing. So we'll load this HDFS file into relation A1. So earlier we have given the path of this local file. Now for giving a path of HDFS, you need to give this command HDFS colon double slash and then localhost colon. So the local host for HDFS is 8020, and then you need to give a path of this folder. So /home/input and then the file name countries of the world. Okay, so we are loading file from this location, and once this data is loaded into relation A1, we are going to filter out these two columns, country and literacy percent, and storing these results in B1, and then we are ordering this B1 in the descending order of literacy percent, and we want to again store this relation D1 back to the HDFS. So we'll create one folder under /home. Okay, so instead of giving this local output path, okay, I have given this output one. In the same way, in the next we have filter out only those countries having literacy percent greater than 95 and order them with this descending order. Now we want to again store back this result into let's say output 2 folder. Okay, now we'll just save the script on the desktop only. So I'll give this name as Hadoop or MapReduce underscore script dot pig. Okay, now we'll try to execute this script. So before that, let me just copy the path of this script file. Okay, here is the file. Okay, now we have started the daemons. Also, our input file is available on HDFS. So let us execute this program. To execute the pig script in MapReduce mode, you need to give this pig, and then you can just give the path. The second way is to give pig hyphen x local hyphen x MapReduce. So we'll try to execute this program in both the ways. So first let me execute with this only pig thing. Okay, hit enter. So now since we are using a single node cluster or single node Hadoop machine with the limited RAM, this is gonna be a bit slow. This would take some time. So we'll wait until it gets completed and until we get a success message. So you can see this job ID, right? So now basically we are running two MapReduce jobs. Okay, so it has given like first we have filtered two columns and order them, and again in the second job we have again limited that condition, uh, giving an extra condition like values only greater than 95%. Okay, we got the success message. Let us go back to the HDFS and verify if we got these two files as expected. So this was our input. Okay, now going back to the home folder, you can see that this output 1 and output 2 are created. Let us go back to output 1, click on this part file. That's great. So here we got only two columns as expected. The first column is the country name, the second is the literacy percent, and let's see if we got all the records. Okay, the countries are order with the descending order of the literacy percent. Last record is at 0%. Now let us go back to the output 2 directory. Okay, so here we just wanted to filter out the countries having literacy percent greater than 95%, and here we go. The last entry is Israel with 95.4. So in this way we are able to process the input data uh, from HDFS, and again like export this processed data to HDFS. So we'll again try to execute this command with this second way. So before that I'll just remove these two output directories, Hadoop fs hyphen rmr slash home, this output one. Okay, this entry is deleted. Output 2 also will delete it. Okay, now we'll just go back to the home folder. Okay, and now we just have only one folder with the name input. Okay, now we'll again execute the script, but in this uh, time we'll give this -x and then MapReduce. Okay, peak -x and this MapReduce. Okay, there is this spelling mistake. MAP reduce. Okay, MapReduce, and then hit enter, and again we'll wait until the MapReduce jobs gets completed. In the meanwhile, you can also go back to this uh, log directory to see these logs of the processes that we have ran. We currently job number 17, 18, 19 are in progress. You can also look at into this XML file. So basically this is unstructured data. So pig is also very useful when it comes to the unstructured data. So in the next video we'll learn how to work with the unstructured data using regular expressions in pig. You can also see these different tabs here: name node, job tracker, task tracker. And go to the job tracker, and you can see the status of the currently running jobs. Okay, you can see this job ID and the progress: 100%, 100%, and these are the completed jobs, and these two jobs are running jobs. So let us, okay, now both the jobs are completed. We got the success message, and let us again go back to the name node, browse the file system. Okay, under home, now we got these two directories as expected: output 1 and output 2. I hope this video was useful. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.